The other day, I was rushing for an important meeting, and just at the last minute, I couldn't find most of the things that I needed. That was when it hit me that I need something more efficient. Urgency zones. Do you know what it means? These are basically intentional setups that we create for moments where we need speed more than perfection. Instead of spreading things all across the house, we usually group what's needed together to keep it visible, accessible, and ready. All the organizing supplies that I use today for different corners of the home can easily be found at the Big Basket app, where everything gets delivered in under 10 minutes. Mornings don't go wrong because mornings are bad. They go wrong because the last 5 minutes are messy. So I have created this area where all things needed at the last minute are included, like keys, some mints or gums, some extra cash and change, and things like even lip balm. For winter time, I have this special but cute basket that holds all the things like mufflers, warm caps, and also an umbrella. Yes, these things are very important, and I'm sure we all are always looking for them when rushing out of the house. But now, no more. This is the zone where I know I can find it all. I'm sure anytime some guest is suddenly coming over, all you can think about is food, but never the little details that actually make the hosting a little more put together. That is when this no panic guest urgency zone comes into the picture. Right from beautiful napkins, calming candles, or even some pretty coasters to be used when serving drinks, this basket holds it all. I keep all things necessary in this basket at one place, and I know each time everyone is coming, all I have to do is bring out these things from this particular place. What does it do? It makes the hosting a bit better. Guests don't notice what you don't have, they notice what feels calm. So create an urgency zone that fits your needs when hosting and that makes your loved ones happier. So if you have guests going to be staying over at your place, you'll need a lot of sheets, throws, blankets, so you can actually make a drop basket or zone for it, or maybe even a bin where you drop all of these and keep them ready for when guests are coming. Spills don't give us any warnings. They actually happen mid-meal, mid-conversations, mid-life really. And anytime anything falls, be it on the carpet, the floor or the table, what you actually need to do is clean it as fast as possible, right? But then, just when we need those things, we are not able to find them. So what I've done is created a spill and stain rescue zone where I keep this baking soda in a ready jar so that they're available for me, along with a bottle of vinegar and you know what, a teeny tiny toothbrush. These three things and you will be safe forever. This zone is all about speed because the first few seconds matter more than the product you use. Everything that can interrupt workflow has one home now. It's about having the said things right there at the right time. So today I'm using this box to become that drop zone for all small things like pen, pad, extra cords, drives, and also even the headsets that we use during work video calls. So this ways you don't have to leave the chair or run around the home for anything at all during your work time. It's a small setup, but it saves mental energy on days when focus already feels fragile. A very modern problem with honestly a very modern solution is here for you. I'm making a dedicated entryway corner just for holding cutters, scissors, tapes, and some extra change as well. Now you think, why? Well, because all these things come in handy each time we either receive a delivery or want to return something. I've even added a small basket that has become the bill bin. With that, receipts don't disappear and returns don't become guilt projects. Sometimes we don't skip self care because we are busy, we skip it because we are tired and lazy. This zone lives close to where rest actually happens. So, when your hands feel dry, your head feels heavy, or you just want something comforting, you don't have to get up and search for things. Self care becomes automatic, effortless, and almost accidental. And that's how small habits actually stick. So, here, this basket is my urgency zone for self care. Plant lovers know this feeling. One yellow leaf and panic sets in. This zone brings control back. When plant care tools are scattered, we delay action, but when they're together, we respond instantly. It turns plant care from a stressful task into a calm routine. Plant lovers panic fast, and this zone restores balance. So, your home just needs a little bit more thinking. Now, let's dive into the giveaway question. What was the name of the zone that I created for cleaning all of the spills? Along with answering this giveaway question, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel. Please let us know if you like these ideas. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.